Hello, welcome back. In the previous video we created this graph. Now I want to add an interactive feature to this graph. So we'll go back to ChatGPT. This is the chat we've been working on. So my last query was, I want a bar graph. Rewrite the script. So again, we want to keep on the same chat because we're working on the same data. So this time I want the same graph like this one, right? But with an added feature. Therefore, I want to copy this query. So this query is where I asked about creating an aggregated plot of temperature across dates. And so I want to paste that in here. So the Stockholm updated file also has a date column. That column contains the temperature observation date. I want to aggregate the temperature by year and plot the year temperature across time using a bar graph. I also want a drop-down list widget. A drop-down list widget to let users choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit and plot the data based on the user selection. Write me a script using Streamlit and Python and execute that. So we're trying to give the possibility to different users from different countries which might use different units for temperature. So I can see already that the script is converting Celsius to Fahrenheit here, right? Using that formula. So let's copy the code. Go to Thony. I am inside section 3 folder. So a new file named lecture3.py. Paste the script you got from ChatGPT. So this is a Streamlit app, therefore save it first and then go to tools and open system shell and do Streamlit run. My file was named lecture3.py, so lecture3.py and press enter. And this is what I got. So that's the plot, the bar graph, and we've got this drop-down list here, also known as a combo box. So a drop-down list widget or a combo box widget. So the graph by default is showing temperature in Celsius degrees, but you can switch to Fahrenheit and it will update automatically. So there we go. That's like about 45 Fahrenheit across the centuries. Yeah, that's how you create interactive graphs. To know more about what widgets you can have with Streamlit, you can ask ChatGPT what other widgets I can have in Streamlit other than a drop-down list. So that would be a good question to ask, and ChatGPT probably will give you a list of widgets explaining each widget, such as the slider, a checkbox, a radio box, and so on, etc. So there we go. That's how you create interactive plots with ChatGPT, Streamlit, and Python. So there we go. Also a slider example. ChatGPT tried to give us a bonus here. So thanks a lot. See you in the next videos.